Okay, so the next thing we want to do is actually update the state and get a re-render and all of that when we submit this form. So we're making it into this add item function. Now I need to call my set items, and I need to provide it basically all the existing items, but with a new item added in. And the simplest way to do that is super common in React, right? We spread items, and then we'll just say also add in this new item. Now, for now, we can hard code an ID. This is going to give us trouble as soon as I add more than one to do, because they're going to have duplicate IDs. But let's just do this for now. And then we'll say product is the product that whatever you passed in, it's the same name. So I could do product is product, or I'll just say product like this. And then quantity we're not even bothering with, but let's set it to 1 by default for now. And that should be it to actually update the state. Let's say I need, an apple. I'll hit enter. And there we go. It's showing up in our form. The problem we'll run into now, though, it's going to work, but React gets confused because they all have the same key. They have the same ID. So we could add in some unique IDs using a package, using math.random. I'll probably use UUID. This package, super common for generating IDs quickly. So we just need to npm install it, and then we will import it and use it. So over here in my terminal, npm install UUID. It's not very big, should happen quick. npm start again, and then I'll import UUID v4 from UUID, but I'm going to get an error because I don't have the types for UUID. So I can go ahead and install those as well. npm install -- save dev at types / UUID. And start it back up again. Now I'm going to get an error because there is no export named UUID v4. It's just called v4. It's a little confusing how this library is set up, to be honest. But now I have this function v4 that I can call to generate an ID. Like that. And I might rename this even as ID or get ID or something like that. And now I can call get ID. And then we run into another problem because this returns a string, but our ID is set to type number. So I have to go to my model and say, actually, just kidding. ID is a string now. Okay, does everything work? Let's try and add a product. There we go. They all have unique IDs now, and we don't get any errors. And that's it for this video. We successfully updated the state, and then this whole ID thing was a bit of a tangent, but it was TypeScripty. We had to install the types for UUID to be able to use it.